Hey, you look tired today. Yeah, I didn't sleep very well last night. Why not? I stayed awake thinking about my future. That sounds serious. Maybe. I've been feeling restless lately. Restless how? Like I need a change. Every day feels the same? I understand that. Routine can become exhausting. Exactly. Work. Stress. Responsibilities then repeat. So, what kind of change do you want? Honestly, I'd love to travel more. Maybe even live in another country someday. Really? Where would you go? Maybe Canada. Or somewhere in Europe. That would be a huge change. Yeah. But I think that's what makes it exciting. A lot of people dream about changing their lives. But very few actually do it. That's true. Fear keeps people stuck. Fear of failure. Failure, uncertainty, leaving comfort behind. I can relate to that. Sometimes I overthink everything. Same here. Our minds can become our biggest obstacle. Exactly. Deep down, we usually know what we want, but taking action is the difficult part. Do you think people can really change after a certain age? Of course. I think people can reinvent themselves at any moment. I like that idea. Me too. Life would feel depressing otherwise. I agree. Imagine believing your best years are already behind you. Yeah, that would be sad. I think curiosity keeps people alive emotionally. That's actually a beautiful way to say it. When people stop being curious, they disconnect from life. Exactly. That's why I want to keep learning new things. Like languages. Yeah, but not only languages. New experiences. New places. New conversations. That makes sense. Different people can completely change your perspective. Absolutely. Traveling makes the world feel bigger somehow. And at the same time, smaller too. You realize people everywhere have similar emotions and problems. That's true. Everyone worries, dreams, falls in love, feels lonely. Exactly. Human beings are more similar than we think. You know, conversations like this make me feel calmer. Me too. It's nice talking honestly sometimes. Most conversations today feel superficial. I know. People are always distracted by phones and social media. That's why moments like this matter. They remind us we're human. So do you think you'll make those changes someday? I think so. Maybe slowly. But yes. That's probably the best way. Big changes usually start with small decisions. Exactly. And honestly, I already feel different than I did a few years ago.